Hey everyone, welcome back. This will be the driver application and ride-along portion of your onboarding with DeliverThat. So we're going to go on a mock delivery and walk through the steps required to accept an offer and then what you'll be doing in the driver application as you head to your pickup location. So the first thing when you get into the driver app will be to mark yourself available. So let's go ahead and mark ourselves available here. Once you toggle to mark yourself online in the app, you'll be eligible to receive offers. Those will come into your offers queue and your offers tab on the right-hand side of your screen. If you see an offer that you'd like to accept, go ahead and click Accept Delivery, and that will migrate it to your jobs queue. Once it's in your jobs queue, you're able to scroll through all of the deliveries that are assigned to you, and you'll know that these deliveries are only assigned to you as a driver. You can go ahead and click on any order and review the order details in a 5 to 10 minute period to make sure it's a delivery you'd like to commit yourself to. To do that, you'll scroll down to the very bottom and you'll go through all of the metadata delivery details. If there are any special instructions, those will be in the special delivery fields. This could be things like security, parking instructions, or communication instructions that the customers passed along to you. The first things I'll be looking at will be the commissions to me as a driver to make sure that the order makes sense. This is base commissions, extra mileage commissions, incentives, adjustments, and the gratuity that's placed on an order. At the very bottom, you'll see the ability to submit for reimbursement for parking, tolls, and any gratuities. We ask that you submit these before you complete the delivery. Once you've reviewed everything about a delivery, if it's a delivery you'd like to release and not commit to, you'll go ahead and click the 3 dots in the top right-hand corner. You'll see here the ability to report issues at the pickup or the drop-off to send to our dispatch team, as well as the ability to release it to other drivers out in the field. From there, we'll go ahead and click. We can once again scroll to review those order details. And once we know it's a delivery we'd like to accept and complete, we're going to go ahead and slide to start the job, and we'll get ready to head out. So let's head out to the car and get ready to walk through the next steps as we head to the pickup. Okay, so now we're going to stay marked available in the driver application. We're going to slide to start the delivery, and we're going to make sure we have our catering bags before we head out to make a pickup. To navigate to the pickup location and the drop-off location, you're going to simply go into the app and click on the address, and that will take you to your default maps that you have downloaded in your phone. From there, we'll click go, and it's time to head out and make this pickup. Okay, now we've arrived to our pickup here at Chick-fil-A. When we arrive, we're going to slide to complete the task of arrive at pickup. This will produce a timestamp on the far right-hand side and let us and the dispatch team know when we arrive to the pickup. From there, we're going to head inside, identify ourselves with the order ID and the customer name. We're going to walk through all of the order contents with a store employee, get our bags loaded up, and then before we depart, we'll click the scribble signature icon and collect a signature from the employee passing the food off to us. So, without further ado, let's head inside and grab this food. Okay, so to recap our pickup process, we went inside, identified ourselves with the order ID and the customer name, as well as reviewed any special instructions we might have had in the metadata for our pickup location. From there, we confirmed that we received all of the order contents with a restaurant employee, as they are responsible for making sure we have all order contents. To verify this, we click the scribble icon on the right-hand side and had them sign on our driver application to confirm they gave us all of the order contents. From there, we're going to slide to depart the restaurant, and we're going to click on the drop-off address. This will navigate us back to the drop-off so we can go ahead and get set up for our customer. The last thing, on our way to the drop-off, if we're running behind, we can click on the contact tab and give a call to the customer or send them a text message, as well as make sure we're reviewing any special instructions for the drop-off to make things move smoothly. That being said, we have all of our food. Let's go ahead and click the address, and we'll head out to the drop-off. Okay, so once we've arrived at the drop-off location, again, we're going to review any special instructions. If we're having trouble finding the customer in our drop-off site, we'll click the contact icon in our driver application to give them a call or send them a text message. If this first phone number you contact is not working, you can scroll down in the order details and find a secondary phone number. You can text or call this number to try to troubleshoot and find your customer to make sure you can execute the setup for them. And as a last resort, you can always contact our live delivery support hotline. It's very important you're communicating any issues to us in real time so we can help you troubleshoot. You'll either be able to call or text us at 315 630 3330. Again, that's our live support hotline, and you can text or call us with any issues that are taking place from the beginning of your delivery all the way to the end. But now we've reached our drop-off location, and we're going to go ahead and do the most important part of any catering delivery, and that's going to be the buffet style setup. Now, don't let this be intimidating. Most buffet style setups are fairly brief and take only a couple of minutes, and you can find any and all photos and setup diagrams on our driver assistance portal at ideliverthat.com/DAP for driver assistance portal. Without further ado, let's go ahead and execute this setup so we can feed our customers. Okay, let's go ahead and recap the drop-off process. So, we slid to arrive at the location. We made sure to contact the customer as needed. We called or texted the live delivery hotline as needed, and then we executed a buffet-style setup for our customer. The very last thing that we did was take a photo of the setup, and this will confirm for our dispatch team, the restaurant, and the customer that all ordered contents were dropped off in case of any confusion or complaints from the customer. Then we slid to complete the last task, which is depart the drop-off location. We slid one more time to go ahead and complete the task. The very last thing is that you'll be able to click your profile icon, navigate to the history tab, and you'll be able to see the signature, the photo, and all of the timestamps on all of your completed deliveries, as well as your earnings as a driver with us. So that will conclude your ride along with us and your driver application tutorial. Please answer the questions below, and we look forward to working with you on our platform.